punya, punya Mas Haikal sudah selesai insya Allah, Sir. Yang reading and writing-nya ini, Sir. Maaf. Yang read and write-nya ini, Sir. Nah, ini, Sir. Seperti ini, Sir.
Read the following text and then discuss the meaning of the following words according to the context and answer the questions. Okay, good.
Yes. Ya, seperti ini.
Then, what is the title? What is the topic of this chapter?
Ini Mas social issues, Sir.
Social
Social
issues.
issues. Yes.
Oh,
Mhm.
I think police. Okay, then I think this
Ya,
written
read and
right.
write.
And this one
Mhm.
is uh,
Ini
racism,
racism. Yes, Sir.
social issues. Okay.
So here is the note, and then there is a summary. Kemudian let's do more-nya in pairs ini, Sir.
This one
Jadi
is enrichment. Let's do more is for enrichment. So what is the
um,
writing? What is the writing activity?
ini,
This
Sir.
one is
Let's check.
evaluation. No, this one is
Uh,
evaluation. This
oh,
is not.
evaluation.
Yeah, this one is
Hmm.
evaluation.
Mas Haikal, Mas Haikal, are you there? Oh iya. Halo, Mas Haikal.
This one is a reflection.
Reflection.
So my suggestion for your group are the
Yes.
members of your group here now, Mbak.
Yes. Mbak,
Who are
Mbak,
they?
Mas Haikal and also Mbak Handayani. Mbak
Are they
Handayani,
here now?
Mas Haikal, Mbak Handayani, are you here?
Yes, Mbak, I'm here.
Oh
Yes, Mbak.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Oh yeah, yes, sir.
Okay,
They both
so I
are
think,
here.
Mbak, yeah. Um, well, your main learning activities include first listening
Mm-hmm.
plus comprehension questions ya Mbak ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Possibly just one listening and
Listening.
comprehension questions followed by pronunciation.
Oh, I see.
And then after that, you present again um, reading. I'm not present
Yes.
again, yeah. So listening followed by reading, followed listening plus comprehension. So the first main task is comprehension, but listening comprehension, okay? So
Oh,
listening first
listening.
and then answer questions. After that, followed um, by pronunciation. And then the next task is reading comprehension, followed
Mm-hmm.
by vocabulary exercise or vocabulary building, and
Mm-hmm.
then followed by text structure task, followed by grammar. And then
Mm.
after that, writing, guided writing, and then independent writing, and then presenting, newscasting.
Mm.
And then later, after that, you will have let's do more enrichment, and then evaluation, and then summary or reflection and summary.
Present.
So the most tasks, uh, the majority of tasks are actually reading, writing, and presenting. Listening is only, providing models of how text is read
Mm.
aloud. Yeah.
Berarti yang tadi saya pakai, is it okay ya, sir? Yang tadi pakai
It's
BBC
okay,
News,
but you
sir.
need to kind of reorganize and possibly make a replacement, you know.
Yes, sir. Ya, oke, sir.
Coba Mbak,
Sir, would you...
ada tidak Mbak yang lengkap gitu Mbak, terus saya tunjukkan Mbak.
Hmm,
Yang sudah
iya,
cukup,
sir.
yang paling lengkap mana Mbak?
Bentar, sir. Ibu, Mbak Handayani mungkin. Tadi punya saya terpotong dengan Mas Haikal itu, sir.
Hmm,
Iya. Jadi punya Mas Haikal mungkin yang reading ininya sudah komplit. Yang social issue itu,
mana Mbak
bentar.
readingnya?
Oh ini.
Bisa Mas Haikal.
Ini yang 10, ini, sir. Facing
Coba
10 challenges.
tolong mulai dari reading and writing. Tulisan reading and writing mana Mbak? Atas terus Mbak.
Atas, ya. Siap, Sir.
Ini kan listen and speak itu
Ini,
Mbak.
ya, siap, Sir. Reading and writing. Ah, ini, Sir. Mulai dari sini berarti, Sir.
Coba kalau
Ini
gitu coba Mbak naik ke listen and speak Mbak.
listen and speak. Naik.
Tapi jangan listen and speak, listen aja itu Mbak. Diganti listen aja. Coba naik
Oh,
terus.
listen saja. Ya,
Oke, full
ini.
stop. Jadi this one is listen.
Listen. Only listen, ya. Ya,
Ya,
Sir.
dan so.
Ya.
Oke, then listen to the audio, bukan audio ya. Tapi
Listen
mungkin
to
listen to apa news, to
news, ya.
the following news and answer questions. Is it a news of what?
Yes, Sir.
Is it a news?
Is it news ya, Mas, ya?
Yes, sir. It is a news.
Ya,
News,
listen
ya.
to the following news and answer the questions. Nah, gitu kita bahas.
Mhm.
Terus,
Yes.
and then after that, oke lah.
Jadi,
Kalau
this is question about the
find
news
the
ya, Sir.
meaning of the following words, you may consult. Ini find-nya dari mana? Inequality, marginalization tuh words yang ada di mana?
Di bawahnya nih, Sir. Atau, di mana nih,
Nah,
Mas?
bisa, Mas. Jadi seperti ini, find the meaning of the following words, itu harus aktivitas dari kegiatan reading, Mbak.
Oh, ya, berarti ini harus ada readingnya
Harus
ya,
di,
Sir.
iya, harus ada. Jadi tadi saya katakan setelah listen, ada comprehension questions, itu kemudian pronunciation, Mbak. Atau intonation dan sebagainya
Oh,
gitu. Baru kemudian dihadirkan teks lagi, tapi yang untuk reading. Coba ke bawah, mana
oh,
teks readingnya?
ya, Sir.
Terus, terus, terus. Nah, mungkin
Ini,
ini, Mbak.
iya
Oh,
betul.
tetapi
Ini
advice ini, Mbak. Bukan, terus.
bullying, Sir.
Nah, mana
Ini
yang reading? Yang pokoknya yang reading mana, Pak? Nah, ini
readingnya
yang
ini.
ini read the
Iya,
following text and then discuss the
dis-
meaning of the words. Nah, itu kan berarti seperti yang saya katakan tadi, Mbak. Reading
iya,
and vocab. Kemudian berikutnya, Mbak, ke bawah. Habis
iya.
itu
Ada notes.
reading and apa tuh? Setelah itu grammar. Setelah itu
Oh,
structure.
harusnya
Jadi yang atas tadi dibawa ke bawah, Mbak. Coba naik ke
ini
atas.
grammar ya, Sir. Harusnya ada grammar.
Iya, tadi ada grammar nggak di atas tadi coba?
Belum,
Terus,
Sir. Ini belum ada
belum ada.
grammarnya, Sir.
Belum
Belum,
ada.
iya.
Text structure-nya sudah ada
Ya.
belum? Generic structure.
Belum, Sir.
Nah,
Generic
terus setelah
structure
itu
ada
baru
di.
writing. Writing-nya guided
Oh,
writing. Terus setelah
iya.
itu semi-guided writing, free writing, atau sekurang-kurangnya semi-guided writing sama free writing atau independent writing, and then ya newscasting, Mbak.
Disgusting. Oh iya. Sir, would you please explain once again dari pertama apa ya, Sir? Pertama listen dulu ya, Sir. Tadi
Listening. Jadi
listening, yes,
listening
sir.
comprehension ya, listen and
Yes,
answer questions. Oke,
listening and
habis itu
answer.
adalah apa itu pronunciation.
Pronunciation, yes, sir.
After that, reading comprehension.
Reading, yeah.
And after that, vocabulary building.
Yes, vocab building, yes.
After that, task on generic
Yes,
structure.
yes.
After
That's
that,
engineering.
tasks on grammar,
Grammar, yes.
task grammar exercise.
Grammar exercise, yeah.
After that, semi-guided writing.
Yeah,
And
semi,
then
yeah.
after that, independent writing. After that,
Yes,
presenting or newscasting.
writing. Oh,
And
yeah,
you need
sir.
to provide explanation, information about newscasting. Newscasting. Kan ada banyak skill newscasting tuh, Mbak. Jadi unit
Yes, sir.
1 nanti skill newscasting tertentu yang dihadirkan. Unit 2
Hmm.
nanti diberi newscasting, skill newscasting yang berikutnya. Begitu, Mbak.
Oh, siap, sir.
Kan di
Berarti
silabus
kalau
sudah ada
kami punya
newscasting skills yang berbeda-beda untuk disajikan di setiap apa namanya unit, toh, Mbak.
unit, ya. Berarti kalau ada 6 chapter, berarti harus punya 6 presenting skill ya, sir?
Iya,
Ya.
iya,
Oh,
iya,
iya,
gitu,
iya, iya.
Mbak.
Iya, iya, karena oke, siap, Sir. Berarti kami harus mencari 6 macam presentasi.
Kayaknya
Oh,
dulu di tabel apa itu di silabusnya sudah tuh, Mbak? Apa belum?
iya, presentingnya sudah sih, Sir. Iya, cuma kami
Iya.
berpikirnya kan sama cara mempresentasikannya kan sama, Sir.
Ya, memang
Iya,
mempresentasikan keseluruhannya sama, tetapi
sama.
kan di
Iya,
setiap unit, setiap chapter
iya,
itu ada sesuatu yang memang diajarkan, dipelajarkan secara lebih gitu, Mbak.
iya, siap, Sir. Iya, mungkin topiknya yang berbeda-beda topiknya, Sir. Presentingnya sepertinya kami sama, Sir, waktu di silabusnya itu, Sir. Tapi tetap harus dicari keunikannya gitu ya, Sir.
Sebentar, Mbak. Mungkin belum menangkap maksud saya ya. Mas Haikal,
Iya.
apakah menangkap maksud saya? Coba.
Halo, Mas Haikal.
Iya, Mbak.
Ini Pak Joko menanyakan presenting of newscastingnya kita kalau bisa punya 6 macam teknik, Mas. Sudah
Bukan,
paham belum, Mas?
bukan, bukan macam teknik, Mbak.
Iya,
Gini loh, gampangnya ya, Mbak ya.
iya,
Seorang
Sir.
katakanlah penyampai berita, pembaca berita, itu kan ada katakanlah bisa bagaimana cara membuka awal, bagaimana
Iya.
mungkin gestur, bagaimana
Oh,
menutupnya, bagaimana memindah ke berikutnya, bagaimana menyatakan bahwa akan break sebentar. Itu kan skill-skill yang khusus, Pak. Bagaimana
oh,
mungkin pause-nya ketika ada pause. Itu sub-sub skills di newscasting yang itu tidak semuanya sekaligus bisa disajikan dalam satu chapter. Chapter pertama hanya bagaimana omongan pembuka, misalnya kayak gitu, Mbak. Bagaimana memberi
oh,
salam eh, kepada audience misalnya.
audience. Oh, iya, siap, Sir. Oh, nanti berkelanjutan di belakang-belakang
Iya,
chapter ya, Sir.
iya,
Ya,
iya,
paham-paham.
iya,
Ya, paham.
iya.
Sekarang paham, Sir. Yes, Sir. Ya,
Oke, jadi begitu.
siap, Sir.
Ya,
Ya,
oke ya. Sementara gitu
oke,
ya, Mbak
Sir.
ya, biar yang lain
Ya,
dapat bagian. Oke,
ya. Oke, thank you, Sir.
oke, oke, Mbak Ilma, Mbak still mute, Mbak.
Hello?
Ya,
Me,
oke,
sir?
ya.
Oh, all right. Is it
Listening,
readable, sir?
speaking skills, oke.
Yes. Gimana? Ini, kurang gede.
Listening, speaking skills. Apa nih, Mbak? The learner, kok ada apostrofi ya?
Boleh, boleh. Oh, it's a typo, sir. A learner's, a guide, sorry.
Oh,
A
oh,
guide.
a guide,
Yes.
a guide to communicate. Oh, bukan to communicate ya, Pak ya? A guide to itu harus diikuti oleh kata benda, Mbak. To communicating titik-titik effectively. Jadi misalnya a guide to communicating ideas effectively in English gitu, Mbak.
So, how, sir? Sorry.
Tadi perhatiannya kemana, Mbak?
Ini ngatur volume suara, sir.
A guide to communicating ideas effectively in
Getting
English gitu, Mbak. To
effectively.
promote batik products, bukan to promoting.
Oh, yes. Okay. To promote batik products.
Ya,
Sini sekalian.
tapi mungkin kata ideas-nya mungkin ada kata lain yang lebih bagus.
Yes, sir.
Oke, then
So here's the cover, sir, and here's the preface.
preface, Mbak, bukan preface ya, preface.
Preface, okay. And here's the tab.
Table of contents, kan kontennya banyak toh, Mbak.
Oh, yes.
Table of contents. Jadi kita harus sangat teliti, Mbak, ya.
Yes, sir.
Table of contents. Nah,
Yes. All right.
table
So
of
here's the
contents.
table of contents.
Ini
But
ya, Mbak, coba guide to using apa itu, Mbak?
course book.
Tulisannya gimana, Mbak?
Guide to use actually. Sorry, sir.
Hah? Loh,
Atau course book guidance.
bukan, Mbak. Coba. Undo, Mbak. Undo, Mbak. Undo.
kurang R.
Terus, nah coba dibaca, Mbak.
Oh ya, course.
Nah,
Mana aku buat apa jangan
loh,
course.
ya jadi maksud saya hanya ingin menunjukkan, Mbak Ilma ya, ketika menulis bahan ajar, itu kita harus sangat teliti, Mbak, ya.
Yes.
Di uh, tadi table of contents gitu ya, Pak ya. Guide to using the course book juga tidak hanya course book, jadi the course book atau the book gitu aja, Pak, mungkin. Course-nya hilang, the book gitu ya. Ya, welcoming visitor itu juga salah, Mbak. Ayo siapa tahu? Welcoming visitor itu tidak gramatikal. Siapa tahu betulnya gimana? Nah, harus plural, Mbak.
Hmm.
Welcoming visitors, seperti di bawahnya, describing
Batik.
batik products, kan itu kan anu toh, Mbak,
Yes.
plural gitu ya.
Yes.
Nah, tetapi expressionnya apa, Mbak? Jangan hanya
Oh,
welcoming visitors expression, describing
yes.
batik products expression. Expressionnya apa yang disajikan di situ harus
Yeah.
dituliskan.
Actually, for the table of contents, we still discuss the table of
Oke, ya.
we already
Oke,
finished for the unit. We have
oke.
6 units here.
Tapi itu ada sequence words itu nggak bener, Mbak. Itu nggak tidak 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 paralel unit ini,
Yes.
coba.
Okay.
Sequence words itu kan tidak paralel dengan expression, toh, Mbak.
Yes, yes, sir. So, in every unit, we have the expressions. For example, so like unit one, we have the expressions to welcome the visitors, and also we have the grammar focus actually, sir. So later on, in every unit, we will mention like this one expressions to
Oke.
welcome the visitors, and the next one is model auxiliary, and it will
Hmm.
be
Oke.
unit two, three, ya. Kita
Oke.
mau menyelaraskan itu, sir, tapi ini belum
Ya.
belum diselaraskan.
Oke. Oke.
So
Table
it's
of
something like this
contents
one.
ya.
Yes.
Oke.
So here
And
is the guide
using
to using
the course book.
the
Oke.
okay, and here is the first unit, unit one.
Oke. Welcoming visitors.
Yes, and also we have like learning goals here, and the
Oh, Mbak, sorry. No,
yes,
in this unit, the students will learn how to. Nah, itu bisa, Mbak. Tapi akan lebih bagus begini, Mbak. After learning this unit, the students will be able to titik dua. Itu, Mbak.
okay, sir.
After learning this unit, the students will be able to.
The
Itu ya,
students
Mbak.
will be able to
Students will be able to
okay.
apa ini? Use appropriate greetings. Jadi ya sebenarnya jangan lebih bagus. Will be able to greet visitors. Langsung aja, Mbak. Will be able to greet visitors according to the context. Misalnya gitu, Mbak.
Okay, sir.
Greet bukan greeting ya.
Yeah. Okay.
Greet visitors.
Great.
Visitors. Mungkin depending atau according to the ya oke nanti silakan ya. Pokoknya langsung
Yeah.
kerja gitu, Mbak ya.
All right, sir.
Nah, ini welcome guest to a batik gallery or event. Oke, introduce themselves. Initiate simple conversations with visitors in a professional setting. Ya, ini semua oke mungkin sudah sedikit sudah termasuk ada value ya, Mbak ya.
Yes, sir.
Ada politeness di situ. Ya, oke. Tapi kalau mau ditambah misalnya kayak 21st century skills-nya apa, digital literacy-nya apa, itu kan lebih bagus, Mbak ya.
Okay,
Oke,
sir.
terus Mbak,
Okay, so for the first, it's
step
let's get
ini,
ready. Yeah, it's like a preparation task actually, sir.
oke.
Here we
Listen
have
to the audio. Nah, jangan audio, Mbak. Jangan jangan listen to the audio. Audionya itu apa, Mbak? Is that a monologue, a dialogue?
it's some monologue, sir.
Oke, monologue about what?
monologue about welcoming the visitors.
Jadi ini
Okay.
isinya apa? Apakah isinya semacam cara-cara welcome visitors?
Yes.
Oh,
So like one of the staffs welcome the visitors. So there will be 5 staffs welcome the visitors. So they will listen to the
jadi
different
ini
ways
Mbak,
of
listen
yeah.
to the following, misalnya apa ya? Listen to the following talk of a person welcoming guest, misalnya in a batik workshop, misalnya kayak gitu. Jadi jangan 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 juga ngomongnya dialog, jangan ngomongnya monolog ya, tetapi ya kalau a conversation itu tuh between siapa dan siapa gitu.
Okay, sir.
Kalau talk ya ngapain gitu ya, sehingga anak-anak tahu konteksnya. Jadi bisa kalau followingnya hilang gini Pak, listen to a person welcoming visitors gitu Pak. Listen to a person,
Welcoming visitors in batik.
yeah, then write what they say
Welcome the visitors.
to welcome the visitors.
Yes.
Nah, tetapi, oh jadi ini monolog ya Mbak ya. Jadi orang misalnya kayak ngomong udah datang terus dia ngomong sendiri gitu ya Mbak ya.
Yes. Yes. Because
Oke.
later on we will have like a welcome.
Mbak, tetapi lebih bagus jangan then write what they say, tetapi lebih bagus ini lebih bagus comprehension questions Mbak. Baru setelah itu nanti ada expression focus namanya Mbak.
Oh yes, sir. We already have like
Ya,
here.
tetapi tolong dibalik.
Oh.
Coba ke atas lagi Mbak, ke atas lagi. Terus Mbak,
Uh,
naik lagi Mbak. Sebentar. Oke, coba. Oke, task one. Ini kan sudah task one tuh, sudah kayak gini. Task two itu sudah langsung bisa untuk yang modeling text Mbak sebenarnya.
oh, even if it's in the let's get ready section, sir. Because we will also have like the dialogue here, and then practicing the dialogue, and also the students will learn about
Oke Mbak, kita tidak bisa
the
bolak-balik dari monolog ke dialog, Mbak. Ini yang akan difokuskan di sini dialog atau monolog, Mbak?
uh dialogue,
What
sir.
will be the focus here, dialog atau monolog?
Both of them. There will
Nah,
be
kalau
dialogue,
dialog,
and there
ini
will
tas
be
dua ini kurang relevan, Mbak.
okay. So
So, task one, you may remove task two, and then go straight to task three.
okay. So
You may remove this one,
okay.
actually. Yeah,
Oh sorry. Warnain aja ya warna merah.
you just highlight that one, okay? And then go to task three.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. Nah, tetapi jangan listen and complete. Listen the following dialogue and then answer questions.
Okay.
Jadi seperti saya katakan ya, pokoknya comprehension lebih dahulu. Jadi listen to the following dialogue. Sebenarnya kalau ya between siapa dan siapa begitu ya.
Mm-mm.
Dan jangan employee. Employee itu siapa?
Ya, ini batik staff saja di sana.
Ya, jadi
Ya,
nanti
kita
lebih
lain aja.
lebih spesifik.
Oke.
Employee jabatannya sebagai apa gitu ya. Jadi
Mhm.
listen to the following dialogue
Mhm.
and answer the questions gitu.
So we may not have like a fill in the blank space here, sir.
No, later you will have this later, Mbak.
Okay.
Ini kan sudah kayak oke, jadi once again listen and answer questions. Nah, ini terus ke bawah, Mbak.
Here is the questions and then
Dan gini, Mbak. Oke, pertanyaan how does the employee greet the visitor itu iya, tetapi jangan merupakan pertanyaan pertama. Mungkin misalnya gini, pertama, pertanyaan pertama adalah what does the visitor want to buy? Jadi message-nya lebih dahulu, Mbak.
Oke.
Baru
Lot dulu ya, Sir.
pertanyaan mengenai expression itu eh, nanti, ya itu pertanyaan itu boleh, Mbak. Tetapi jangan nomor satu gitu loh, Mbak.
Oke, Sir. Oke.
Ya, jadi
Oh, sorry, here is the
pertanyaan
first.
comprehension dulu, menanyakan apakah yang mendengarkan itu ngerti nggak sih isi percakapan itu gitu loh, Mbak.
Mm-mm. Oke. Berarti lots questions dulu ya, Sir, baru hotsnya.
Gimana, Mbak?
Low order thinking questions first, then high order.
Bukan. Uyuh. Pokoknya comprehension question. Tahu nggak comprehension question itu apa, Mbak? Contohnya.
Yang terdapat pada dialognya untuk mengetes apakah anak-anak itu paham tentang dialog tersebut.
Oh, tentang isi dialog. Oh,
Hmm.
gitu, Mbak.
Oke, Sir. Noted.
Terus, habis itu, in past, read the dialogue aloud, then perform. Nah, sebelum perform, mereka itu belajar anu dulu, Mbak, ekspresi dulu. Ekspresi welcoming dan greeting itu. Jadi misalnya di di dalam jadi task berikutnya ya. Misalnya task 4.
Nah, belajar greetingnya di sini, Sir.
Nah,
Expression.
ini dulu. Betul. Terus berikutnya apa, Mbak? Coba.
Terus
Say the expression. Nah, ini juga dulu. Terus.
lalu yang nomor 6
Ini.
ini listen listen again.
Kok listen to boleh? Kok ini lagi, Pak? Ini harusnya di atas. Ketika belajar ekspresi tadi. Ini kan bagian dari pronunciation ya, Mbak ya.
Yes. For the
Terus apa lagi, Mbak?
nah, pronunciation-nya di
Listen
sini,
to the
Sir.
monologue from Batik Gallery, then answer the questions below. Ini monolog. Tadi katanya mau dialog, Mbak.
Both of them, Sir. Can we?
Hmm? Ya, bisa saja.
Karena
Tetapi
kalau
harus
yang
sebaiknya
pertama,
gini.
sorry, Sir. Karena,
Yang dialog itu disatukan, baru nanti monolog. Begitu ya, Mbak ya.
oh, oke, Sir.
Gini loh ya, tolong semuanya didengarkan ya. Jadi urutannya itu seperti yang saya sajikan pada pertemuan kemarin itu. Jadi mulailah di main lesson activity itu dengan comprehension activity. Artinya anak-anak itu kalau bagian listening ya supaya listen to a text and then answer questions. Habis itu kalau itu memang listening and speaking, maka kemudian anak-anak diajari ekspresi. Kemudian diajari pronunciation. Habis itu kalau memang speaking, kemudian dikasihlah mereka eh, dialog yang tertulis, kemudian mereka menjawab pertanyaan. Oh, saya keliru, Mbak. Maaf. Jadi mendengarkan dan menjawab pertanyaan, ya, Mbak ya. Kemudian pronunciation. Habis itu mereka dihadirkan lagi teks dialog misalnya, kemudian menjawab pertanyaan. Lalu mereka diajari ekspresi-ekspresi. Ya, kemudian baru setelah itu bisa dengan guided speaking, semi guided speaking, baru kemudian free speaking atau independent speaking, begitu Mbak. Lalu kalau kemudian dilanjutkan dengan reading and writing misalnya, maka ya disajikan dulu teks, reading teks dan pertanyaan-pertanyaan comprehension. Baru setelah itu kosakata, baru setelah itu belajar grammar, baru setelah itu belajar text structure, baru setelah itu kemudian guided writing, semi guided writing, dan kemudian diikuti oleh free writing. Tuh, terus nanti mungkin presenting, gitu Mbak. Di belakang ada enrichment. Kemudian ada summary, ada reflection, ada evaluation gitu, Mbak.
Sorry, sir. If it's listening speaking, where should we put the grammar, sir?
Listening, well, when your unit teaches the four language skills,
Mhm.
grammar is presented in the reading writing section, Mbak.
Okay.
Vocabulary as well, and also grammar. Yeah. So grammar and vocabulary are presented in the reading writing section,
Uh,
but pronunciation and expressions are presented in the listening and speaking section.
okay. What about if our focus skill is just listening and speaking, sir?
Um, yeah, of course, before uh, joint construction of text, before guided speaking, before semi-guided speaking, before free writing, before independent speaking, Mbak.
Okay. So here is in our unit, the focus, the grammar, we put after the pronunciation, sir. Is that right?
Grammar is put.
Uh,
Well,
yeah.
do you have reading and writing here?
No, we just focus
Oh,
on listening
okay.
speaking.
When you don't have uh, reading writing, yes, you may put after pronunciation. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, that's right.
So like this, sir. Here is the pronunciation skills.
Yeah. And
And
then this one was
here is
what
the
is it?
vocabularies.
Vocabulary.
Yeah.
Then
And then here is the grammar.
grammar. And then
And here the tasks for grammar comprehensions.
okay.
And then here is the work in pairs. I think it's a guided speaking here still.
Work in pairs. One student is particularly guide, and the other after practice use at least four models from the list. After practices with roles, examples, prompts. In past, one student is about the gallery guide and the other is visitor. Use at least. Mm, well, this one is okay. Well, can you scroll down a little bit? Well, I think that one is not guided, but that one is at least semi-guided yang tas 10 tadi, Pak.
Yes. Oh
Itu
yeah.
sudah berat itu, Pak, tas 10 itu. Tidak bisa dikatakan guided kalau kayak gitu. Guided itu misalnya begini loh, Mbak. Misalnya
Mhm.
um, com- dialogue completion itu guided, Pak. Jadi complete the following dialogue and then act the dialogue out. Itu namanya guided production,
Mm.
guided speaking. Tetapi kalau hanya perintahnya itu work in pairs and uh, role play, guiding visitor, wah itu sudah hampir free production itu, Mbak. Itu sudah tingkat tinggi, Mbak.
So
Sekurang-kurangnya ini adalah semi-guided sekurang-kurangnya nih.
okay. So it means that after task 9 we provide the dialogues again and then ask the students to practice. Then we goes to the task 10. Is that right, sir?
Say that again, Mbak.
After task 9, before task 10, we should provide the conversations dialogue
Mhm.
and then ask the students to act it out. And we go to
Mbak, you need to provide or to insert a task,
Mhm.
dialogue completion, Mbak.
Oh, okay.
Completion and acting out the dialogue, begitu, Mbak.
Hmm.
Ya,
Oke.
gitu.
Kayaknya ini, Sir, yang tadi itu di tas 3 itu kayaknya bisa dimundurin ke belakang sini ya, Sir.
Yang mana, Mbak?
Yang tadi itu yang fill in the blank.
Fill in the blanks. Ya,
Yes.
tapi tadi kan itu filling in the blanks dengan mendengarkan, toh, Mbak. Berbeda.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So, oh yeah, okay. So it's not listening, ya, sir?
No.
Terus tes baru, pas 10 ini work in pairs.
Oke, coba habis ini apa, Mbak?
And then after this,
Ini apa nih, Mbak? Discuss these questions with your pair using ini tas apa nih, Mbak? Ini bukan speaking loh, Mbak, kalau gini nih.
okay, okay, sir. Maybe delete.
Ini masih belajar apa tadi? Ekspresi.
Yeah.
Iya, jadi ini bukan speaking ini. Jadi harus lebih awal diberikan ini. Tas 12 ini
Okay.
best express what you would say in the following situations. Nah, ini malah lebih gampang dibandingkan yang tadi tas 10 tadi nih, Mbak. Ini kan hanya ekspres mungkin satu dua kalimat. Sementara yang tas 10 tadi kan sudah conversation yang lengkap.
Oh, okay, sir. Can we?
Oh, kecuali kalau memang monolog yang panjang, nah itu bisa bisa di bagian sini bisa juga.
Mhm.
Customer enters the Biotech store for the first time. You need to greet them and ask how you can help. Nah, itu kan cuma pendek ya, Mbak ya.
Okay.
Kalau nomor dua, an international visitor is coming to learn about batik and textile. You need to welcome them and explain briefly what your store offers. Oh, tapi ini juga pendek ya, Mbak ya.
Iya, berarti
Tapi
kita
kalau
nanya,
pendek-pendek itu harus lebih awal. Itu ini
yes.
gampang dibandingkan yang role play tadi, Mbak.
Okay, I think we can move the positions ya,
Ya,
sir.
ya,
Yang ini
jadi
tadi di awal, lalu yang work in
teks ya,
progress
Mbak
di
ya.
akhir.
Ya, jadi urutkan dari simple ke yang kompleks.
Okay, sir.
Ya,
And then here's the reflections and the summary.
ini apa nih, Mbak? Tadi summary ya.
Yes, here's summary.
Tapi harus ada ini ya, Mbak ya. Reflection, ada
Ada, sir.
oh ya,
Here.
ada evaluation atau assessment. Mana assessmentnya, Mbak? Belum ya?
Assessment-nya belum, sir.
Ya, ditambah assessment ya.
Okay. So assessment is in after the reflections or before the reflections, sir.
Um, well, it's up to you.
Okay.
Ya, karena mungkin before reflection, well, it is possible you put it before reflection because after the evaluation they can make a better reflection. After assessment, I mean, after assessment, after evaluation, they can make a better reflection. Oke ya Mbak ya.
Alright, sir.
Oke. I think I will need to move to the next group Mbak.
Alright, sir. Thank you for your feedback.
Oke. Sebentar. Apa saya perlu memberikan contoh yang pernah saya tulis
Uh,
17
your
tahun
book,
lalu?
sir.
Kenapa?
Actually, we copy some of your instructions in your interlanguage book.
Oh, you already opened that?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We downloaded some of the chapters of interlanguage actually.
Yeah, I think you need to see that. But once again, that was written 17 years ago, long, long time ago.
But
But
it's still relatable, sir, actually.
yeah, I think so. Jadi urutannya tolong dilihat di sana ya, Mbak ya. From comprehension to production, from simple to complex, ya, Mbak ya.
Yes, sir.
Ya, Mbak Khairul Umah.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Oke,
But I cannot share my screen, so Mbak Rizky will help me to share the screen.
oke.
Mbak Rizky, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Wait,
Can
Mbak, I'm together with all of my friend here, so the audio will trouble. Could you help me to explain this one, Mbak?
yes, Can you
Okay.
see my screen? Actually, I'm sharing my screen right now. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right, let me start. So this is for our group second, sir. Let me
Oh, so
discuss
this
the
one is
unit
English for hotel.
receptionist. That's right.
Okay, hotel receptionist. Okay.
Yes, so the first unit is make check-ins easy. Here we give the learning objectives. Actually, it's the same like our last meeting. We discussed it before. And then you give us feedback to put listening at the first section here, not reading because we use communicative language teaching and focus on listening and speaking. That's why we changed the reading passage into listening with full conversation here because
Okay. Listen to
like
conversation ya, Mbak ya. Listen to a conversation between a senior and junior receptionist ya, Mbak ya. Listen to
excuse me, sir.
the dulu kan the apa? Perintahnya dulu, Mbak.
Okay.
Listen to a conversation between a senior and junior receptionist. Gitu.
Oh, oke. Bukan the ya, sir ya, karena udah jelas
Kan,
ada di sini conversation.
kan.
Oh, oke.
Then match is. Tapi kenapa conversation between senior and junior receptionist, Mbak?
Okay, so why a senior engineer? Because here actually the first unit we're going to talk about check-in procedure. Yeah,
Hmm.
so and then the second unit we're going to talk
I see.
again about check-in, but it's like a
Okay.
confirm every booking. So we don't want
Okay.
to overlap it. That's why in the first unit we talk about the procedure of check-in. That's why it's between like senior and junior receptionist talking about the procedure
Okay.
of check-in. And then here for the comprehension activity, match each term 1 to 5 with the correct explanation A until E. That's going to be like this. So because this is between senior and junior, so actually they talk about these terms in the conversation. That's why this is the comprehension activity for this listening. And then for the vocabulary focus here, so the second one is about vocabulary. So complete the following conversation using the words from the box, this box, and then they have to complete the conversation here using this one. Okay, so actually these two conversation can be models too, models conversation for the students. And then we have listening practice here. So in the listening practice, listen to a woman checking into a hotel, then they order the sentences according to the conversation. So they can put the number here. And then we have grammar focus. Here we focus on the use of to be, am, is, and are. And then there will be practice here, again, in the form of conversation between guest and receptionist. And then next, for the speaking practice, so because we already have some models of conversations, here in the speaking practice, the students can work with a partner to role play as receptionist and a guest using the conversation from the listening practice. So after they reorder the conversation, they can actually have the role play and then choose. And after that, they can choose their roles, then swap roles after practicing. So, to be a receptionist and to be the guest. And then they can swap their roles. And after that, as the receptionist, they have to put data entry here, like guest names, check-in date, and check-out date, room type, smoking preference, and facial request. And also we have the value here. We name it etiquette inside, and also some tips for the receptionist. And after that, we have speaking clearly here to practice the pronunciation. So first, this one is word per word. So practice the correct pronunciation and stress in each word. Repeat them several times until you feel confident. And then the next pronunciation practice is the full sentence. So listen to the audio carefully, underline the stressed syllables, and practice saying the sentences correctly. So this one, the students should underline the stressed words, and after that, they're going to practice it with the teacher. And then we have the today's highlight here to summarize all of the materials from the vocabulary list, the expressions list, and also the grammar. And then we have the check your understanding, like the task, the full task for each part. So the task 1 is about the vocabulary, task 2 is the grammar, and task 3 is the expressions itself. And then the last, we have the extension activity here. The students will watch a video and they're going to write down any new expression or phrases that they did not know before. They can write it down here. And then we also have self-reflection related to the material. I think that's all, sir, for our group. And looking forward for your feedback.
Okay, scroll up, Mbak.
Which part, sir? This
Okay,
one?
yeah. Okay. Well, actually, okay, scroll down,
Okay,
scroll down,
this part.
scroll down.
Okay, the next page, this one.
Yeah, this one, Mbak.
Mm-hmm.
Well, to me, you had better for this task
Mm-hmm.
listen to a woman checking in into a hotel and then answer the questions,
Mm,
not or reorder or not ordering the sentences
okay,
into a good order.
all right.
So that you provide your students with a good model of checking in a conversation
Mm-hmm.
in a hotel, Mbak.
Mm-hmm.
So listen and answer questions.
All right. So if
Right?
it is listen and answer questions, so
Yes.
do we need to provide the conversation or not?
Yeah,
Because
so
if we
you can
provide,
have this conversation, but you can have this
uh,
conversation, but put them in the correct order so
all
that they
right.
can listen. So listen and possibly read along, and then
Mm-hmm.
scroll down, but or listen. You may put it in a link in they can access to a
Mm-hmm.
barcode,
Yes.
QR code, or
Mm-hmm.
a link, yeah, but yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And then, so listen and answer questions. And then scroll down, but
I'm sorry, sir. I need to add something about this part. So actually, we wanted to make it that way, but we think because this is the listening part, then we should not give like the full conversation here. Otherwise, it's going to be reading for the
okay,
student.
so I say, so then, as I stated earlier,
Mm-hmm.
listen to the dialogue
Mm-hmm.
by scanning the barcode, for example, and
Mm-hmm.
answer questions.
All right. So we don't have to provide the
No,
conversation, right?
you may remove this, of
All
course,
right.
if you
Okay.
like.
Okay, noted, sir.
Then scroll down.
Okay. Yes.
And then, no. So after this, do
Mm-hmm.
not, don't give them grammar focus, but expression focus, Mbak.
Hmm.
Now, do you have expression focus?
Yes, we have
Okay, which one?
actually
Which one?
in the speaking practice we put some expressions, sir.
No, but you need to provide explanation of the expressions, Mbak.
Mm-hmm.
It is a practice, it is
Mm-hmm.
application. So you need to provide an explanation on the expressions that they can use in a conversation between a receptionist and customer during check-in, Mbak.
Mm,
Yeah.
uh-huh. Mm-hmm. So I need to make the conference sorry, the expressions here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Mm-hmm.
after that, you may have grammar,
Mm.
grammar, and then only after that, oh, sorry, after the listening activity, Mbak.
Mm-hmm.
So your first activity is listen and answer questions. And then after that, present a dialogue, but written dialogue, Mbak. written dialogue. So study the following dialogue, written dialogue, yeah, and answer questions, comprehension questions again. And then after that, expression focus,
Oh,
pronunciation
okay.
focus, grammar focus, And then after that, guided speaking. For example, jumbled expressions.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir, but so after this, after
Yeah,
listening
you can have this one.
without what is
Yeah,
it? Without the
yeah,
conversation,
yeah. But
without the script, I
it's
mean.
not this long, possibly, but
All right.
yeah,
Okay. Yes, yes.
yeah.
And then we have to give like the full conversation, right? For
Mm.
check-in. Can we just use this one, sir? Because actually,
It's possible. You can still use this
uh-huh,
one.
uh-huh. So actually, that's what we did. Like this, actually for the expressions, we want to merge it to
Mhm.
the expression as well, like this one, and but they can actually look at the full conversation to practice first before they make their own conversation. So this what is it? This instruction is actually to lead the students to do the activity like that. So read the conversation
Yeah.
and then after that make your own conversation. Can we make it like this, sir? Because actually it's already quite long for 1 unit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So you need to make some changes in the order of the
Mhm.
presentation, yeah, Mbak, ya. And
Mhm.
again, the rule is simple.
Mhm.
From comprehension, followed by language
Yes.
focus,
Yes.
followed by production, semi-guided production, guided production, independent production. From
Yes.
simple to complex, Mbak.
Yes,
That's
that's
the
right.
rule.
Okay, so can we just put the grammar here because we want to like you said that we want to have the input first for the
Okay.
students, so like
Yeah.
listening. What is it? The start here, the vocabulary. We want to have the listening input first, and then we want to have the grammar input first, and after that, they have the output or the productive activity here. Can we make it like this? But I'm going to revise this part.
So again, my suggestion is
Mhm.
first listen to a dialogue and then
Mhm.
answer questions.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
And then
Yes.
after
I
that,
agree for that. Mhm.
after that, study the following dialogue, written dialogue, okay,
Yes.
and answer
Okay.
questions. After that, expression focus, or possibly expression and pronunciation focus, okay. After that, grammar, okay. After that, um, you have a grammar exercise here, right?
Mhm.
Then after that, semi-guided production or guided production. For example, arranging jumbled expressions into a good dialogue, possibly. And then semi-guided production, and then free production. And then after that, you may have enrichment. After enrichment, you may have assessment or evaluation, followed by reflection and summary. Okay, that's the order of the tasks.
Okay. All right, sir. So,
It is good
actually,
to like etiquette like this.
uh-huh.
This one is good.
Mhm. All right. So actually, we have reasons why we put speaking clearly after the speaking part. I mean, like not before the speaking practice, because yeah, just like the title, speaking clearly. So we want to like correct, maybe like sentences or words that they pronounced in their own conversation. That's why we put it here. So speaking clearly is after the speaking to emphasize more on the pronunciation. So what do you think about it? Because yes, I mean, personally, we don't want to, like
This is
make,
late, but
yeah, like everything in the beginning is an input. Well, this is also actually an input, but we want to make it after the speaking, not to, what is it? Yeah.
pronunciation should be given
Mhm.
before you ask them to practice speaking, Mbak, because pronunciation is an enabler, prerequisite before speaking. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, but what I mean is that okay, they're going to have conversation, then it might not be perfect, and like we practice the pronunciation after the speaking to refine it. I mean, I read some speaking books, and this is how they order
No, I
their
disagree with that, Mbak.
yeah. Okay.
So, we need to give them or equip them with the necessary knowledge or micro skills, and or only after that we give them activities for macro skills.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I will
Okay.
rearrange the order then.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
okay. Okay. I need to move to the next group.
All
Okay.
right. Thank you so much,
Okay.
sir.
Ini Mbak Mojo itu kayaknya sudah bagus ya.
Iya ya Pak ya.
Coba Mbak Mojo itu sudah saya kasih masukan.
Iya, memang sudah kasih masukan
Iya Mbak
Pak.
ya. Yang lain dulu ya Mbak ya.
Oke, Em, tapi boleh ada, boleh
Ya,
bertanya Pak.
ya, oke, coba
Iya,
silakan. Oke,
Em,
ya,
em, sebenarnya saya dengan teman-teman mau tanya, apakah nanti dalam tugas ini kita hanya membuat learning materialnya aja atau sama seperti membuat satu buku gitu Pak? Jadi,
ya itu Mbak seperti saya sajikan minggu yang lalu ya,
oh
bahwa
ya,
Anda perlu membuat cover
hmm,
dan covernya itu ada title of your book.
ya, itu sudah.
Kemudian habis itu ada apa itu? Preface, ada table of contents gitu ya Mbak ya. Guide to using the
Guide
book
using the book.
ya
Yes,
Mbak.
ma'am.
Lalu kemudian unit 1, unit 3 dan seterusnya.
Ya,
And then at the end
ada
you
bibliografi,
have
iya.
a list of references or bibliografi. Mungkin
Ya,
ada juga ya terutama bibliografi. Ya, kemudian ada back cover ya Mbak ya.
ya,
Dan di back cover itu ada istilahnya tuh blurb ya Mbak ya.
iya ada blog.
Blurb itu adalah buku itu apa sih isinya dan kelebihan dari buku itu apa gitu ya Mbak ya.
Hmm,
Coba look at ya itu my book ya, interlanguage itu kan di back
ya,
cover kan
kan,
ada blurbnya ya Mbak ya.
ya,
Ya,
kami memang lihat juga contohnya dari interlanguage
ya
Pak
gitu.
Joko.
Gitu Mbak.
Terus,
Jadi
um,
ya kayak
maybe
mini
can
book
you
ya Mbak ya.
see, can you see once again my
Oh ya, oke
work?
oke oke.
Ya,
Oke.
no problem ya Pak ya. Wait, I share unit 1 aja deh. The last week unit 2. Ya, for unit 1 ini satu Pak. Yang learning objective ini, is it
By the end
okay
of this
if
lesson,
we
you will be
write
able
learning
to.
objective dalam bentuk daftar gini list, and then in building knowledge of the field, I think I double the learning objective here or not, sir? Is it okay if I write like this? So here learning objective, and then di bawahnya ada the building knowledge of the field. I also write like this.
No, no. Oh, do you know? Yeah, that's possible, Mbak.
Oh, possible. Yeah.
Yeah, but can you have another name? Not building knowledge of the field, Mbak.
Oh, yeah.
So please do not use technical terms, ya Mbak ya. The technical terms are only for you in your mind, in your draft, but
Hmm.
they should not appear in the actual course book. for your students.
Oh yeah. So I have to look for another title for this.
Ya, tadi misalnya di tempatnya Mbak siapa tadi ya? Yang Mbak Sabrina baru saja ini tadi istilahnya apa Mbak tadi Mbak?
What is it, sir? Sorry.
The terms for uh, opening activities, what do you call Mbak?
I have get ready just for
Ya,
warming up.
nah gitu loh Mbak, kayak get ready,
Oh yeah.
let's get started, or so and if possible, create eye-catching names, so eye-catching section names,
Okay, sir. Ya, itu saja sebenarnya saya ingin tanya, Pak.
Hmm?
Hanya itu yang ingin ditanya. Oh, kemudian yang untuk bagian akhir tadi sebenarnya kami juga punya pertanyaan yang sama dengan punya Mbak Ilma. Apakah perlu reflection? Kami memang taruh reflections di sini. Em, tapi untuk apa namanya evaluation, apakah kita bisa pakai yang task project terakhir yang bagian dari independen
No,
mesti berbeda?
ya, karena
Hmm.
project atau task terakhir dari project itu masih bagian dari learning process yang utama, Mbak. Tidak
Oh.
bisa dipakai sebagai untuk assessment. Kalau dipakai untuk assessment, uang itu baru belajar kok untuk assessment, kan nggak bener, Mbak.
Oh iya, iya.
Ya, jadi tidak bisa, harus ada sendiri, Mbak. Coba dilihat di buku interlanguage itu kan mesti sendiri, bukan
Iya.
bukan dari independent construction of text, dan itu sudah dianggap sebagai untuk assessment, tidak bisa, Mbak.
Hmm. Oh, kayak begitu ya Pak ya.
Bikin bahan ajar emang susah, Mbak.
Iya.
Butuh waktu
And
lama.
I'm just thinking untuk writing presenting ini nanti seperti apa ya? Apakah kita bisa dalam bentuk project juga gitu ya Pak?
You just give a task, Mbak,
Hmm.
not a project,
As
a task, a writing
writing.
task. Yeah,
Oh ya, writing task. And
yeah,
what
a
about the
writing task.
presenting? Should we say them to present their
Yeah,
task?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oke,
that's right.
oke, baiklah Pak. Terima kasih.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, sir. Can I stop share my?
yeah, okay, stop sharing. Yeah.
Ya.
Okay, now Mbak Diana.
Yes, yes, sir. Let me share screen, sir.
Ah, yes.
Okay, sir. Here,
So
we are from group
English
7.
4, English
Yes, this
4.
is about sound and speak.
Okay, for SMP grade 7.
Yes, for junior high school student, grade 7. And then here, the preface. And then here, the inside the book.
Okay.
And here, we already revised the chapter with a noun phrase like meeting new friends, school activities, food and drinks, visiting new places, planning time together, and my daily routine. Like this, sir.
No, but they are not parallel, Mbak.
Oh, still not parallel, sir.
Ya, Mbak. School activities, food and drinks, planning time together. No, no, not really parallel, Mbak.
Okay, sir. We should revise again, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So the parallel ones are school activities, food centerings, and my daily routines. They are parallel. And meeting new friends, visiting
Yes.
new places, planning time together, they are also parallel. So there are two types of ways of
Oh,
writing your chapters here, Mbak.
I see, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. So we will revise later.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. And then here the table of contents, sir.
Mhm.
And then here the capaian pembelajaran
Okay,
about listening
speaking
and
on that.
speaking. Yes,
Okay.
because we focus on the listening and speaking.
Yeah.
And then here the chapter 1.
Okay. Chapter 1.
Okay. And then here the let's get ready. Here we also have a revise with the simple words, sir,
Yeah.
like game, school, classroom, friends,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
teacher. Okay. And then here the task 2, we put the
Okay. Not
conversation like,
practice reading ya, Mbak ya.
oh, all right, sir.
So I think you had better say study the dialogue. Tetapi juga bukan dialogue about introducing yourself ya, Mbak ya.
Okay, sir.
Oke, coba semuanya tolong perhatikan layar. Saya akan memberikan, I will give you feedback, okay, for this one. Again, as I said earlier, you need to start from comprehension task. So you should write here, study the dialogue between Alia and Budi, and then answer the questions. Gitu saja, Mbak.
Between Alia and Budi.
Atau misalnya between two students, bisa saja begitu, Mbak.
Yes.
Between two students introducing each other. So study the following dialogue between Alia and Budi, atau between two students introducing each other, and then answer the questions. Gitu, Mbak.
Sir, the
Coba yuk
question.
tulis. Study the following dialogue between two students introducing each other.
The following dialogue.
Halo?
Yes, sir. Like this, sir. Study the dialogue, the
Coba
following.
dengarkan lagi.
Study
Coba
the
dengarkan dulu.
following. Okay, sir.
Study the following dialogue between two students introducing each other. Sudah belum, Mbak?
Sudah, sir.
Then, tadi between two students introducing each other. Ya, bukan each others ya, Mbak ya. Each other. Each other, bukan others.
Oh, yes, sir.
Then, comma, answer the questions.
Okay, sir. Like this, sir. Then answer the question.
Ya,
Okay, sir.
titik. Terakhirnya dikasih titik, Mbak. Seperti
Oh,
tadi.
yes, sir.
Itu walaupun penting ya, Mbak ya.
Yes, sir.
Oke, nah kemudian di bawah conversation ini harus ada pertanyaan pemahaman, ditambah questions. Kan belum ada questionsnya, tuh, Mbak.
We put question about the dialogue in the below here, sir. But in the fill in blanks.
No, 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 no. Ya harus di bawah dialog itu langsung ada questions, Mbak. Kan tadi mintanya kan then answer the questions. Nah, questionsnya mana? Kan belum ada questionsnya di situ.
Oh, all right, sir. Okay, sir. Question di bawahnya dialog.
Harus ada questions di bawahnya dialog itu, Mbak.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Terus ini complete the sentences apa itu, Mbak? With the
Complete the
word.
sentence with the words you hear or practice in the dialogue. Number 1 is done for you as an
Ini kan
example.
berarti kan sudah diajari kosakata toh, Mbak. Nah, kalau gitu ajari dulu kosakata. Baru setelah itu completion, Mbak. Kalau mau. Ini kan kosakata toh, Mbak. Jangan I am Budi gitu ya, Mbak. Ya mungkin nggak anu ya. Tapi kosakata misalnya sit, school, name, new, apalagi gitu ya. Jadi fokus pada kosakata misalnya.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Coba habis ini apa, Mbak?
After this, we put the
Expression.
expression, sir. Expression for greeting
Nah, boleh,
someone,
tapi ini terlalu
introducing.
banyak mungkin, Mbak ya. Tapi boleh. Bahwa setelah ini ada expression, boleh. Terus habis itu,
After the expression, like the
learn the following
exercise.
expressions.
Yes.
Kok learn the following expressions above tuh, Mbak? Mungkin kok learn the following expressions above. Jadi kan learn-nya kan sudah di atas tadi. Mungkin gini, Mbak. Tas 4 sama tas 5 ini digabung, Mbak.
Yes, sir.
Jadi,
Untuk tas 4 dan tas 5 digabung ya, sir.
nah terus coba ke atas. Instruksinya menjadi begini, Mbak. Nah, stop. Ini tas 4 kan belum ada instruksinya tuh, Mbak.
Yes, sir.
Harus
Yes,
ada
you should
instruksinya.
know.
Misalnya gini instruksinya ya, Mbak ya. Study the following expressions and then complete the bubbles gitu, Mbak. Jadi study the following expressions and then complete the bubbles. Coba ke bawah, Mbak. Bubblesnya kan di bawah tadi tuh, Mbak. The bubbles dialog tadi loh, Mbak. Nah, ini. The bubbles dialog.
Yes, sir. And
Gitu,
then
Mbak.
complete the
Jadi
bubbles.
perintahnya hanya satu kali di atas. Study the following expressions. Atau ya berarti ya ini Mbak, apa namanya itu, instruksinya ini dibawa ke atas. Tadi, learn the following expressions, titik. Then, apa itu, complete the bubbles using the suitable expressions. Gitu Mbak. After that, ya, nah ke situ Mbak.
Like this, sir.
Ya,
Yeah,
tapi
okay.
the following expressions above ya Mbak ya.
Oh, yes.
Ya, kira-kira begitu ya. Ya. Apa? Practice speaking your answers and compare them with your partners. Maksudnya gimana, Pak? Practice speaking your answers and compare them with your partners. Maksudnya gimana itu?
Karena di sini kita ada fill in the bubble, sir. Jadi nanti ketika siswa sudah menjawab, nanti siswanya praktis seperti itu, sir.
Ya, practice speaking. Setelah practice speaking, kemudian membandingkan jawaban gitu ya.
Iya, sir.
Ya, kebalik itu, Mbak. Mestinya bandingkan jawaban dulu, mana yang benar gitu ya, Pak ya. Baru baru itu setelah practice speaking gitu, Mbak.
Oke, sir. Berarti compare dulu,
Ya,
baru practice speaking.
Praktis itu sama dengan production, Mbak, dalam hal ini. Practice speaking itu production, jadi harus terakhir setelah comprehension. Jadi membandingkan jawaban itu termasuk comprehension, Mbak.
Oke, sir. I will revise later, sir.
Kemudian
Kemudian setelah tas 5, di sini ada tas
apa
6,
ini,
sir,
Mbak?
about
Itu
listening.
the following dialogue about meeting your friends.
And then complete the following chart. And then after the,
Dan complete the following apa nih, Mbak? Chart.
yes, sir.
Listen to the following dialogue about meeting your friends. Isi dialognya itu kayak apa sih, Mbak?
Untuk yang chapter 1 ini,
Oke, bukan maksud itu. Dialognya itu dialog between two friends yang introducing each other atau apa, Mbak?
Yes, sir. Mbak Muti, can you hear me?
Yes,
Untuk
sir.
menjelaskan untuk tas 6.
Kok kelas
Uh,
6? Ini untuk kelas 6?
Yes, sir. Karena chapter 1 ini dikerjakan oleh Mbak Muti, sir. Jadi
Kok kelas
kemungkinan
6?
untuk
Tadi kan untuk SMP tuh Mbak, katanya untuk SMP tadi.
tas 6,
Oh,
tas
tas.
6, sir. Sorry, sir. Tas.
Oke. Sebentar Mbak. Dialognya itu seperti apa? Contoh, ingat nggak kata-kata mereka itu? Dialog antara siapa dan siapa?
Sir, this dialogue between two new students,
And then, do they
and
introduce each other?
and then the student need to answer the question based on the dialogue.
Kan begitu maksud saya. Dialog itu kan di antara dua students. Dialognya itu apakah mereka memperkenalkan each other gitu loh, Mbak. Dalam dialog itu, apakah kedua students itu introduce each other?
Oh yeah, sir.
Nah, kalau itu berarti bukan dialog about meeting new friends. Tetapi ya
Oh,
dialog between two students introducing each other. Ngomongnya terus gitu, Mbak.
okay, sir.
Oh,
Introducing
mungkin
each
Anda
other.
bertanya-tanya, kenapa Pak kalau saya tulis dialog about new meeting friends kok salah? Nah, kalau dialognya itu adalah about meeting new friends itu misalnya begini. Misalnya saya berdialog sama Mbak Diana, gitu ya. Saya bertanya pada Mbak Diana, Mbak Diana, do you know how uh, to to introduce a new friend uh, to somebody? Nah, kemudian Mbak Diana jawab, yes, I know how to introduce somebody to a new friend. Saya bertanya, how? Kemudian Mbak Diana akan jawab, first, tell him or tell her her name, and then tell him or her his or her address, misalnya kayak gitu. Itu about namanya dialog about meeting new friends. Do you get
Okay,
what I
sir.
mean?
All right, sir.
Oke, tolong Anda pahami makna dari dialog about meeting new friends ya. Makanya tadi di atas tadi kan saya ngomongnya dialog between two students introducing each other. Karena memang two students itu kan introducing each other.
Yes, sir.
Oke, poinnya adalah ketika Anda membuat instruksi, itu harus Anda pikirkan betul apakah frasa atau kalimat atau klausa itu mengekspresikan yang mestinya diekspresikan. Ya,
All
oke.
right.
And then complete the following chart. Is it a chart?
Oh no, sir.
No.
No
Yeah.
chart.
By the way, meeting someone new can feel exciting. Bukan can feel exciting ya. Meeting someone new can be exciting, bukan can feel ya. Can be exciting and a little scary. But don't worry. In English, we have many polite and friendly expressions to help us start conversations. Let's take a look. Dan perintah dalam bahasa Inggris itu tidak pakai tanda pentung ya, tapi tanda titik. Misalnya, let's take a look, itu titik, bukan tanda pentung ya, Mbak ya. Ayo,
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
cek siapa yang masih menggunakan tanda pentung untuk instruksinya, itu harus diganti semua. And your instruction with a full stop. Okay? And then, task 7. Listen to the following short dialogue and list the expressions to greet someone. Ya, mungkin masih bisa, tapi mungkin look at the example, mungkin gitu ya, Mbak ya. Jadi bisa dikasih contohnya.
All
And
right,
then,
sir. And then the task 8.
match is expression with the correct meaning. Ini bukan matching kan? Oh, ini matching ya, Mbak ya? Match is expression with its correct
Yes, sir.
meaning.
Matching with the expression. This
A
is the
friendly
expression,
way
and
to
then
say
here are the
hello.
meaning.
A way to say goodbye. Apa di kiri ini meaning ini? A polite thing to say when meeting someone new. A question about someone's condition or feelings. Hmm. Meeting with its meaning. Sentence telling where someone comes from. Okay, possibly. Okay, then listen to
Okay, then
the
the
dialogue
task 9.
and choose the response, the correct answer. Mbak, kalau SMP itu jawabannya 4 ya, Mbak ya.
Oh,
Jadi
all right, sir.
jangan hanya 3 ya, Mbak ya.
Okay,
Sehingga
sir.
so that um, the multiple choice questions in line with um, the um, uh, the common uh, form of multiple choice questions in SMP. Okay, then
And then we put the grammar focus, sir, here
lah ini grammar.
about the
Terus
simple present
in the
sentence.
blanks, okay.
And then in the
Recording
task
today,
10, fill in the blanks.
recording again. And then mana speakingnya, Mbak? Ini belum ada speakingnya loh, Mbak.
And then here in the let's do
Ya,
more,
tetapi
sir.
Anda harus memberikan model speaking yang tertulis, Mbak, yang mereka dan mungkin kayak ya tadi sudah ada belum ya model tadi mungkin sudah ada. Ini loh, Mbak, misalnya dialog completion gitu, Mbak ya.
Dialogue
Sebelum
completion.
yang ini dialog completion atau jumbled expressions asking students to order expressions into a good conversation gitu, Mbak.
How about this, sir, in the task 13? Imagine this your first day at school and then walk around the class and meet 3 new friends.
Itu namanya sudah independent construction, Mbak. Makanya tadi ini saya tuh ngomongkan supaya Anda nambah sebelum tas 12 itu yang saya katakan tadi.
Okay, sir.
Jadi namanya jumping namanya kalau seperti ini, Mbak. Ada sesuatu yang harus ditambahkan, ya. Guided atau semi-guided speaking atau production, ya.
All right, sir.
Okay, then
Okay, and then here the let's do more. In the task 12.
oh, oke. Sekarang let's check your competence, Mbak. Itu kan sudah saya katakan tadi, Mbak.
Oh, okay, sir. Here the let's check your competence.
Short reports.
About find 1 or 2 short reports or story about
Reports.
students meeting or greeting others at school.
No, Mbak. Paling mungkin ya let's find models of dialogues between two students introducing each other gitu, Mbak. And then ngapain gitu, Mbak. And then misalnya list the expressions that they use, misalnya begitu ya.
Okay, sir.
Wah,
What
ini
is the expression?
ya, kalau cek kompetensinya seperti ini too complicated, Mbak. Ini mungkin akan dipakai untuk enrichment, Mbak, bukan cek competence. Ya. Jadi
Yes, sir.
assessment, let's check your competence itu assessment ya, Mbak ya.
Yes, sir.
Kalau find other models of dialogue tadi itu adalah enrichment namanya ya.
Yes, sir.
Enrichment is better for enrichment but with some modification. This is too complicated for them. Okay. Kalau
Okay, sir.
intermezzo itu jangan di sini, intermezzo itu di atas tadi, Mbak. Biar mereka seneng gitu ya.
Ah, okay, sir.
Ya, intermezzo itu in the main lesson. Let's make a reflection. Okay.
And then here the summary, sir.
Ya. Ya. Oke gitu ya, Mbak ya. Wow. What is the deadline, everybody?
The deadline is
22nd of the June, sir.
Sorry?
22nd.
Oh, 22nd. Okay, I think we can still have one more meeting ya. Ya, saya belum saya merasa Anda perlu bekerja lagi. Kita perlu kerja bareng lagi gitu ya. So can we make an appointment to have another meeting, everybody?
What day, sir?
22nd itu next week or this week?
Hari Minggu.
What? Hari Minggu ya.
Hari Minggu, sir.
Sunday.
So I think we can have a meeting on Friday, I think. Or
Okay, sir.
Friday or Thursday. Thursday, okay. Yeah. Thursday. Can we have a meeting on Thursday, everybody?
What time, sir?
What time, sir?
The afternoon?
The afternoon. Oh,
3:30?
3:30. So it's like this afternoon,
Yes.
sir.
today.
Yes. But please
Yeah.
remind me ya, Mbak ya. Tadi saya lupa, saya pikir nanti malam jam 7.30.
All right, sir.
Alright, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Right,
So
sir.
I'll see you again
Thursday.
on
Thursday means
Thursday at
Kamis, ya.
3:30, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye,
Goodbye, sir. Thank you,
Sir, thank you
sir.
very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye, sister.
Hmm.